Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we have got some new Burberry Beauty products. I'm a wee bit excited about this launch. I am a fan of Burberry Beauty. I feel like they kind of disappeared for a little bit and now I'm seeing some new beauty products on Selfridges. So I went ahead and picked up two of the new eye quads as well as a Burberry lippy. I was tempted by the foundation, but I was having such a hard time picking out the color, and since I'm ordering from Selfridges, I can't go in and swatch and that stuff, so I'm gonna do a little bit more research before I pick up the foundation. But if you're interested in learning a little bit more about the Burberry eye quads, seeing how I created this look and swatching the other one, I picked up the shades Blush Beige and Dusty Caramel to start. So if you're interested in learning more, seeing how I created this look, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm a wee bit excited about new Burberry, and I did pick up two eye quads and a lippy to start with, and I ended up picking up Blush Beige. Let me show you this beauty right here. Is this not so pretty? I have always really loved Burberry makeup, any of the ones that I have previously purchased, and when I saw these on Selfridges I was like, oh my goodness, I've got to pick a couple of these up. So let me give you a swatch. Ooh, okay, the formula is so creamy and so dreamy. I'm really excited to try these out, and here's what it looks like on my fingers. We'll give a little swatch here. Wow. Okay, here is a swatch of the Blush Beige, and I have to tell you, the formula of these shadows is so creamy. These are not dry shadows, they're pigmented, but when you press your finger into it, it's like silky butter, so creamy. So now I'm even more excited to try this on my eyes. And then I ended up picking up Dusty Caramel. They all looked so pretty, but I just wanted to try the formula first, and now I'm tempted to go grab the other two without even trying it on my eyes. That's how good the swatches are. And this is Dusty Caramel. It is like the perfect neutral eye quad. And I'm gonna swatch this one for you. Okay, here is Dusty Caramel. Is that gorgeous? This is that bone shade that's kind of melting right into my hand. But look how gorgeous those colors are. Rich, pigmented, buttery. Okay, so let's have a little fun. I think I'll go with Blush Beige today, and then I will do the Dusty Caramel tomorrow. We know I'm gonna love this, but this one just has a little bit more oomph, I think. Okay, we're gonna play with Blush Beige right here, and I am going to start with this shade right here. I am using a BK Beauty brush that is number 202, and I'm gonna dip right in to this and use the mirror that it comes with, and I'm gonna slightly build a little color on my eyes here. Okay, really pretty one and done shade right there. And then we're going to come into this gorgeous shade right here. And And I'm using that sort of as a transition slash crease shade. And so far what I'll tell you is this one has a teeny bit of like a satin sheen on it, and then this one is more of a matte shade. But so far they just sort of glide on the eye, very forgiving. Okay, here's what I have created so far with those two colors. And then I'm going to come into this gorgeous shade here, and I'm going to place that on the outer V area, bring a little bit of that up into the crease. And so far, these are super easy to use, so pretty. I'm taking the number 209 from BK Beauty and dipping it in that shade too. I'm going to run a little bit of that under my lash line. And then I'm going in with the Nikki La Rose number 12 brush here and dipping it into the dark chocolatey color, and I'm going to kind of press that near the lash line. Love that chocolatey shade. Okay, then I'm going to take a soft bronzy brown color. I'm using the by Terry liner right here, and this one is in Brown Stellar. You can use any brown eyeliner, and I just want to tightline the upper lash line for a little bit more definition, but I want to keep this sort of like the classic Burberry clean slash smoky eye look, meaning don't go too crazy. Okay, what I'm going to do next is go put on my mascara, and then we can finish off with a Burberry lip. Okay, here is what I've created so far with that blush beige eye quad, and this is just a really easy, pretty, neutral eye. This would be slightly cooler. It's got a little bit of undertones of that sort of blush colors. But so far what I would tell you is the formula of these eyeshadows are outstanding. They are creamy, buttery, easy to use. And then I thought I would go ahead. I picked up one of their satin lipsticks, and I picked it up in the classic color of deep English rose. And here is what this shade looks like here. This is a swatch, really pretty rose shade in the neutral tone as well. And this is the shade Deep English Rose. Okay, this is my final look using that Burberry eye quad in blush beige. And honestly, I cannot wait to play with Dusty Caramel, so that will be coming up next. But let me know if you picked up any of these eye quads, which ones are your favorite. I will say that I'm so impressed with the formula that I am tempted to pick up the other two eye quads. So I'm going to go pop over to Selfridges, see what is available. But as always, I love to hear from you. Did you pick any of these up? Are you thinking about them? What eye quads are you most excited about? And again, this launch is going to be perfect for any of you who cannot have enough neutral eye quads in your collection. Those are the ones that I gravitate towards, and I do really like the simple classic packaging from Burberry. I'm so glad that they're launching some new beauty products because again, I really have liked everything that I have picked up, kind of right in my wheelhouse, and I'm excited to pick up some more pieces as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back with another one soon.